Hey guys, it's time for Fabfitfun. Brooke is back.
Hi.
It's been a while. We are here to tell you about the spring, it's upside down, the spring Fabfitfun box.
It's really pretty.
It is. It's nice and bright and yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my third time partnering with Fabfitfun to share with you what is in this box. This has been our favorite subscription box for the past, what has it been, like 2 years now, I think. We really, really like it, and I'm glad that you can be here to unbox it with me.
Me too.
Yes. So if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is $49.99 per season, and you get over $200 worth of full-size products in each box. It consists of, I always forget, beauty, fitness, wellness,
hair,
jewelry, home stuff, gadget type things sometimes. So you really never know what's going to be, I can't talk. So you really never know what's going to be in each box, but it's always good stuff. I feel like I always get my money out of each box. Mm-hmm. It's good for gift giving too. I have gifted this to a couple of people, and I just feel like it's Christmas 4 times a year. Mm-hmm. So, all right, let's get started with this spring box. I need to find a place to put it. I have this big fuzzy cardigan on. It's so cozy. Each box includes a magazine that just kind of tells about what's in the box, and it also talks about a foundation that they're involved with. So this box, the charity that's involved with this one is the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, and as Brooke just pointed out to me, that's the guy from Lost. So yeah, so the magazine tells a little bit more about it, and then in the back we can see what all we have in this box. Are you ready? Mm-hmm.
First we have a HelloFresh card. Mm-hmm. It's a $50 gift card?
Oh, cool. I've done HelloFresh a little bit.
Yeah, we used to do it.
I know, we kind of stopped, so yeah, it's a pretty good gift
card. We can pick it up with the gift card.
Go for it. Go for it.
Oh, look at how much stuff is in here.
It's very springy looking.
Start with this.
Okay.
Okay, it looks like a Lavido inspired by nature aromatic body lotion.
Okay. Let's see if we can read about that. Oh wait, I think I'm on the wrong page.
It's on like...
Okay, you just keep holding that up. Okay, so this is a body lotion in mandarin, orange, and bergamot for the body, for all skin types. We're gonna smell it.
It smells like natural. Like it doesn't have a strong scent.
Yeah. It has a fresh, clean
it's like
scent.
Light, yeah.
Yeah, very light. So
like
if you are kind of averse to a strong scent on your body, you'd probably like this. I do smell the citrus side of it. It's the orange, I think I smell. Mandarin, maybe.
Let's do this. Dr. Brandt, needles no more baggage, eye depuffing gel.
I love me some Dr. Brandt products. I'm trying to read about this product and I do not see it here at all. There it is. This says it is supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. It's meant to color correct dark circles as well. So this goes under your eyes. It is worth $42. The body lotion was worth $19. You want to take it out of the thing?
Oh, sure.
I don't think I've ever tried this particular product, so this will be a good one to try. I always like new under eye products.
Yes. Okay. Let's do this next. This is a jump rope.
Well, that's pretty cool. They partnered with Venus Williams to create a high-quality jump rope that will help take workouts to the next level. This is worth $15, and it says you can check out fabfitfun.tv for exclusive jump rope workouts with Venus Williams.
Wow, fancy.
I didn't know about all that.
It's just a little blue jump rope.
Yeah.
The handles are nice and
squishy?
padded, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And they have little, like, you can, like, adjust the length, I think, because it has the little balls at the end.
Cool.
So that's fancy.
That's neat.
Let's do this little, Ouai hair care leave-in conditioner.
I really love this brand. This is a multitasking leave-in conditioner that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. It has moisturizing properties and heat protection as well. You put this in damp hair prior to brushing. This is a product they do carry at Sephora. I'm a fan of the line. I have not tried this product before, so yay.
Yes.
You should try it too. We should smell it because their stuff usually smells good.
Okay. Got it. Found the dotted line.
I like your scrunchie.
Thanks. I got it for Valentine's Day. From CG.
I like it a lot.
Okay. Out of the packaging.
Do we want to just kind of like unscrew it and smell it, or are you gonna like spray
Let's spray it.
Okay. Oh, it went on my mirror. Here.
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, need to hold it
Just
out.
spray it like.
It looks powerful.
It does smell nice.
Yeah, it smells like a perfume you have.
Oh. Which one?
Well, I don't know. They all smell the same to me.
Thanks.
But they all smell good. And
Yeah.
it smells like it.
All right.
Okay, what is this? Show me your moo-moo. That's all.
It is
it's
a
a robe.
Yes. And this was an item that I got to pick. So this is just a nice lightweight floral print robe. It's worth $84. And I picked this because I don't have a lightweight robe and it's hot here most of the year. And I think this is something I actually mentioned in a video one time that was a great gift to get somebody. You know, I have a thicker terry cloth robe, but most of the year...
This looks like a kimono.
Yeah, but I think that's pretty cool because, you know, it is hot here a lot. And having a nice lightweight robe can come in handy, right?
Mm-hmm. Should I leave it on?
So you're at home in it. It's soft. You can, by all means, leave it on.
All right, I'll leave it on. Okay, next, I've been eyeing this up. It's a Sip by Swell.
To add to your Swell collection.
We have a lot of Swells, but
Yes.
you can never have too many because sometimes the caps run off and you just need some extras.
Yes. This is a water bottle. You can put hot or cold drinks in it and it will keep it insulated to stay at room temperature for a really, really long time.
It's really cute.
It is worth $19.99. It is cute with whales on it.
I love the color.
I do too. It's really, really cute.
So that's good.
That will definitely be put to use.
Yes. Okay. This looks like a candle or something.
A candle or something.
Oh, champagne charcoal scrub exfoliant. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin.
Okay. Oh,
I can't see over the
I'm sorry. It's covering up the monitor.
The packaging is very nice.
It is. The font used is really pretty. Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub.
Should I open it or should I?
Sure, you can open it and smell it. I always like to smell things. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, this is a luxe and gentle body scrub that removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. You massage it on the body, massage it in, and then rinse. I guess that's pretty typical of any type of scrub.
Spot.
Oh.
What?
Ooh.
Oh,
It smells
that smells
good. So just kind of showing you what it looks like. It doesn't look like it's really greasy or anything. I didn't open it all the way because I think it's going to kind of make a mess right now. But it smells
good.
really good.
Oh.
Really, like strawberries and champagne, kind of. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use that. You can use it too.
We can share.
Yes.
Okay, let's.
All right, what is next? This has been a good box.
This might be the last. Yeah, I think it's the last thing.
Okay.
So, it's in a bag. Quay, Australia. Oh,
It looks like
sunglasses?
Quay and it's actually pronounced Key. I found that out. Yes. These are sunglasses in the model My Girl, or the style My Girl, in the color Black Smoke with black hardware and chic metal accents. This oversized frame and cat eye sunnies can be rocked by any gal. Style these with a high ponytail to emphasize the sharp cat eye shape. Those are going to be big on both of us, I have a feeling, because we both have very small faces, but they are really cute.
I'm styling it how they say to.
We have our model. So if you have a tiny face, this is what these will look like. I can't talk today.
I'm going for the messy high ponytail.
That's
today.
okay.
Okay. The reveal.
Loving it. I love it. They are they are oversized,
Yes.
but I like them.
It's a look.
I like the style though. Those are pretty cute.
And I styled it how they said to, and it looks pretty good.
Yes, yes indeed. Very chic.
Yes.
I like. So that has been our box today. How do you feel about it?
I think it was good.
I do too. I'm happy.
Mm-hmm.
As always, I feel like I'll get use out of these products. I'm really excited. I mean, even with just the Robe kimono, that's double what I paid for the box almost, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, I know. If you are interested in getting your own FabFitFun box or subscription, you can use my link and my code down below. Oh, hello.
It's a backdrop.
It is. You can use my link or my code down below to get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. So I hope you enjoyed this. Brooke, where are you?
I'm back.
I hope you enjoyed this FabFitFun unboxing for spring 2019 like we did. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back here with me on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.